What's up, Cardano holders? So from last 1 month, my brother, as you can see here, Cardano will completely moving upward. 6.39% the Cardano price will increase now. So that's really great news, my friend. And how much in upcoming 10 days, my friends, they will moving upward. So we will completely discuss about this now, because this is very important for all my viewers, my subscribers, to get a very huge profit. So my brothers, this time, as you can see here, the Cardano price were fails down continuously, my friends, from October 15 to October 20. But urgently, you can see here from October 20 they will starting moving upward. And I tell you in my previous video, every day, my friend, I tell you, to in upcoming last 10 days they will moving upward. But some holders does not, my friends, trust me, to they will my friend said not real. But absolutely, you can see here, this is on the proof, you can see here on the screen. So my brothers, my viewers, absolutely, this time also a very good time to you will invest now. Kindly, if you want to get a profit now, urgently invest. I am 100% sure to in upcoming time they will give you a very huge profit. So my brothers, my prediction is 100% going positive, because I'm 100% know, my friends, to in upcoming days, the last 10 days of every month, every coin will get a profit, because the short time investors stop selling and they are starting holding. So therefore, if a holder are stop selling and starting holding, so the price will be increased now. So my advice for all of you, to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. And yes, my brothers, if you are new my channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon for videos notification.